The next section is 2-3, complementary and supplementary angles. Complementary angles are two angles whose sum is 90 degrees, so they add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary are two angles whose sum is 180 degrees, so they add up to 180. Now these two words are very similar, but they have different totals. So here's a little video that can help you remember the difference between the two.
Confusing because complementary and supplementary sound alike. I have 3 ways to help you remember them. Don't feel like you have to memorize all 3 ways. Pick the one that makes the most sense for you and remember that one. In the alphabet, the letter C for complementary comes before the letter S for supplementary. And in a number line, 90 comes before 180. So C complementary goes with 90 degrees, and S supplementary goes with 180 degrees. A corner is a 90-degree angle, and a corner is complementary, C for C. A straight angle equals 180 degrees, and supplementary angles are straight angles, S for S. Supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees.
So one of those two methods may help you to understand the difference between complementary and supplementary angles. And the last term is linear pair. Adjacent angles formed by two intersecting lines, like this example here. Two lines that cross, two angles that are right next to each other are adjacent angles. These two angles will always be 180 degrees. So examples 1 and 2. Number 1 says find the complement of 85 degrees. We know that complement means 90. So I'm trying to look for 90 degrees. What plus 85 equals 90? The answer is 5 degrees. Number 2, find the supplement of 37. We know that supplement means 180 degrees. So 37 plus what gives me 180? 143 degrees. Number 3, find the value of B. So there's two angles here. This one here is B, and this one here is 22. And we can see that those two angles are on a right angle, meaning that they are complementary. Therefore, B plus 22 equals 90 degrees. Therefore, B equals 68 degrees. And for number 4, you have two angles, 112 degrees and B degrees. And they form a straight line, which means that these are supplementary. Since they are adjacent and supplementary, they are also known as a linear pair. So we write 112 plus B equals 180. Therefore, B equals 68 degrees. For 5 through 8, it's only words given to us that we need to understand what they mean. For example, number 5, if angle 1 and angle 2 are complementary, we have to know that that means 90 degrees. And measure of angle 2 is 49, find angle 1. So we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 has to equal 90. Angle 1 plus 49 has to equal 90. Therefore, the measure of angle 1 is 41 degrees. Number 6. the key word is that LMN and NMP form a right angle. Once again, we know that right angles are 90 degrees. So if LMN is 60, then 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. So the measure of angle NMP equals 30 degrees. What is the key word for number 7? Linear pair. Linear pair means 180 degrees. Therefore, as 1 is 84, we're going to go 180 minus 84 equals 96 degrees. So the measure of angle ABC equals 96 degrees. And number 8. 3 and 4 are supplementary, which means 180. So 180 minus 112 equals 68 degrees. Therefore, the measure of angle 3 equals 68 degrees. Numbers 9 through 12 don't give you any words, but they give you images to know. For example, number 9, all of these angles form a straight line. Therefore, all of these are going to be supplementary. But in number 10, you have two angles that when combined form a right angle. Therefore, these are going to be complementary. So number 9, 45 plus x plus 35 plus 70 all has to equal 180 degrees. You combine like terms to give you that x plus 150 equals 180. So therefore you get x equals 30 degrees. Number 10, these two angles add up to 90, so you get x plus 8 plus 2x plus 1 equals 90. You draw your line, you combine like terms to give you 3x plus 9 equals 90. You get that 3x equals 81, therefore x equals 27. Number 11 is the same as number 9, so we're going to skip it. And your job is to do number 12. If you said that they're supplementary, that is correct. Your setup will look like this. And here's your answer. Make sure you add these notes in your table of contents and that you get the homework and complete it.